Okay, we're going to take a look at blending modes in Photoshop, which is another way to essentially composite images a little bit more smoothly in Photoshop. So I have a little blue background here that brings out my square boxes, and we're going to essentially look at the three main blending modes in Photoshop. Because these are divided into main sections in Photoshop. Our blending modes are up here in our layers palette near the very top. And if we understand how multiply, screen, and overlay work, then we understand the bulk of our blending modes in Photoshop. Basically, it's a way to bring out our midtones, lighten or darken pieces and blend it in a little bit better. So we're going to understand the bulk here. We're going to be in much better shape in Photoshop. Now, how this works is essentially if we go to our overlay, our squares layer, we're going to see a black square, a gray square, and a white square. So if I come up here to the top and essentially change this blending mode to multiply, what's going to happen is that's going to cancel out the white, so my white square is completely eliminated, and then the gray square that I had, it essentially darkens my photograph since it eliminates the white, the lighter portions of the image, and the black square stays the same. Now if I were to do the exact opposite of that and apply a screen, my black square goes away. I have a much lighter area here. Lighter shades are maintained in the gray square, and the white is here. And if I do the middle one, I've got overlay. I essentially have the gray is gone because it doesn't have any pure black or pure white in it, but the contrast is maintained here, or increased, because I have a little bit lighter here, a little bit darker here, and a little bit lighter over here. So it does a very nice job of blending in these items. And essentially, if you understand screen, multiply, and overlay, overlay increasing your contrast, ignoring the gray, multiply is going to darken it, and then screen is going to brighten it. You're going to be in excellent shape when you're working with those in Photoshop.